So in the last lecture, I didn't run this program using the code runner. I used the terminal. Now let's see what happens when we run this program using the code runner extension. So there you go. We get the same error. No module named requests, because code runner is running this program using the Python interpreter that is installed globally, and that Python interpreter cannot find the requests module. To fix this problem, we need to tell code runner to use the Python interpreter in our virtual environment. So back in the terminal, let's find the virtual environment directory for this project. pipenv --venv. There you go. Now, let's open this. So this is our directory structure that you have seen before. Here in this virtual environment, inside of the bin folder, we've got Python 3. If you're on Windows, you have Python. So we need to get the path to this Python interpreter and give it to the code runner extension. Back in VS Code, on the top, let's go to the code menu, then preferences and settings. Here, click this ... and open settings.json. Now, if you scroll down, somewhere here, you should see code-runner.executor map. We said this earlier in the course. In case you missed that step, simply add a new key value pair here. The key is code-runner.executor map. When you press enter, it automatically generates all these settings. Now here we have the path to Python. As you can see, I've changed this to Python 3. Now we need to replace this with the path to the Python interpreter in our virtual environment. So this is the path to our virtual environment. Let's copy this, then back to user settings, and replace this with this path /bin/. So we're referencing the Python interpreter in our virtual environment. Now save the changes, back to app.py. Let's run this program using the code runner extension. There you go. So we fixed the issue with code runner, but we have a red underline here, unable to import requests. So VS Code cannot find our requests module. To fix this problem, we need to tell VS Code which Python interpreter to use. Now, if you look at the status bar here, you can see Python 3.7. Click this. In this list, you should see various Python interpreters. Now look at the last one here. This is the path to the Python interpreter in our virtual environment. If you don't see this on your machine, you need to go back to the user settings page and add a new setting that is python.python path. We set this to the path to the Python interpreter in our virtual environment. So let's paste the path to the virtual environment, then /bin/python3. Now, after we add this, we need to restart VS Code. Then when we go back to app.py, here in the list of virtual environments, you should see this new Python interpreter. So let's select this. You can see the compilation error is gone, but we got this other error, linter pilot is not installed, because earlier we installed this globally and now it's not available in this isolated virtual environment. So we need to go ahead and install it here. All right, the error is gone.